Okay, this is my third box I get to unopen. This is from ColourPop. This is my third unboxing. I don't know if that's what I just said, but it's my third unboxing. Yay! It's just a card that says "Thanks a Latte" on it from ColourPop. Inside here is all the fun stuff. The first thing I'm pulling out is a Mint to Be. Let's get it out of its box. Alright, this is not easy to open. Please don't be broken. Please don't be broken. Alright, it's not broken. Check out those colors. I cannot wait to try this one out. These colors are amazing. That is Mint to Be. So if I can get a little closer in there. Look at that shimmer. It's like a bluish gray. It looks like it's a dual chrome. Okay. The next one is the 143 from ColourPop. That one looks like this. It's all pink. It's pink shimmers in there. I'm not going to open it right now, but you get the idea. It's a pink one. Then we have this big mama. Comes with 6 palettes. Oh my god. I don't know if I can get them all open. Oh my god, I love how it's... You unfold it. That's fucking amazing. Okay, the first one is this red one. This is not easy to get them out. I'm going to do the orange one first. It's called Orange Glad. And this one has, it's another 9 palette, all oranges, some glimmers in there. Very nice. Okay, then I'm going to do this blue one. It's called Blue Moon. So you don't see me, because I haven't put my makeup on yet. Look at that. Very beautiful. 9 pan blues. I can't wait to play with this blue one. Okay. Next is this purple one called It's My Pleasure. The It's My Pleasure. Oh my god. I can tell this one's going to be my favorite. That lilac looking one. That's my go-to. Okay. Now we've got another green one. It's an Irish one. It's called Just My Luck. Check out these greens. Those are going to be fun. Get all in there. Okay. The yellow one, which I'm working on right now. It's called Honey. All yellows. That'll be a good summer palette right there. Or an anytime yellow palette. I've got one more. Having a hard time getting this one out. There it goes. Whew, what a mess. Okay, this one's called the Main Squeeze. And again, it's going to be reds. Oh, yeah. Check these ones out. I'm in love with these eyeshadows. These are going to be some fun palettes to do some fun looks with. I look forward to coming up with some looks for you guys. I know that I'm a little bit of a plain Jane when it comes to eyeshadow. It's because I'm still learning. I haven't gotten down the techniques that a lot of you have. Thank you for sitting with me, and hopefully you'll be around for the next unboxing. Have a good day.